Okay, so got a package today, and look, I'm not gonna lie, I actually know what's in this already. Tableau sent me something. I found out last week they were gonna send it over, and yeah, so I thought for this one, because I know what's in it, thought I'd share the moment with you guys because I think it's important. So let me open this. Let me try and get into this in the most efficient way possible. I'm gonna have to do it off camera because I don't want to cut myself or something silly. So it's actually really well packaged, I'm not gonna lie. If you've ever seen an unboxing on any sort of YouTube channel, this is not that. For sure. I'm not even, man, this is really kind of, you know, well packaged. Let me try it from reverse. You probably can't even hear me because I'm not actually talking to the mic here because I don't want to. Here we go. I think I'm in. Let's just get this open. Right. So, okay, box open. Here we go. It's pretty cool. Got some original Tableau confetti. I'll actually, let me put that. That's actually quite cool. There's a lot of confetti. I'm actually going to use that for something. I think I opened it backwards because this is at the bottom. It's a little note from Tableau. And on the back, it's the Zen Master logo. So I was nominated a while back for the Tableau Zen Master. And I've actually failed miserably because I opened it backwards. The stone's at the bottom of the box. And yeah, here it is. This is the little Tableau Zen Master stone that you get. You can see it's got my name engraved in the bottom there. And then on the back, it's got the Tableau logo. So yeah, for most people, this is just a rock. But no, this means a lot. I'll go into that in a second. So yeah, lots of confetti. We can I'm not going to throw this around the room because I'm not going to clean this up later. But let's also open this. Let's see what's in here. I don't know what this is. So let's open this and find out what's in here. Oh, and hello. What's this? Oh, hello. This is very nice. So this is like this is like I guess like a little organizer, and it's got like a little like phone. It's got a little phone charger in there. I guess it's Tableau's way of saying sort of thank you, which is kind of nice. It's got a little cable. So this is one of those what do you call it? It's one of those Qi charging, not Qi charging. It's probably just yeah, it is a Qi charging mat. So you just put your phone on the back of that, and yeah, it's really nice though. Really nice touch, nice little gift from Tableau. But to be honest, you know, even if they didn't send this over, I'd still be hugely grateful. In many ways, the Tableau nomination actually was pretty incredible. And just for context, the Tableau Zen Master is a program that runs every single year. And essentially, Tableau asked the community to nominate certain people that they think have exemplified some of the characteristics that they sort of really look for in the Tableau Zen Master program. And in essence, I was sort of really lucky, to be honest. I decided to start a YouTube channel. I was going to do it anyway. And I just so happened to start doing it right as, you know, COVID kicked in. And because of that, everyone was online. So I managed to capitalize on this momentum of people going online. And I just started making videos, something that I've done a lot of in the past for my own personal projects, for all various things. But in essence, it was just the coming together of a lot of coincidences. And essentially, I put some of my video editing skills. They're not great. I'm trying to make the most of it as much as I can. I'm still learning today. And I put that together with my knowledge of Tableau, and I just made something out of it. And the time to do that actually came from the lack of the commute. So because I wasn't traveling to work, I was actually able to put that time into something else, and that was essentially these videos. And so, again, it's very much circumstantial. You know, any other year I wouldn't have had the time, especially given that I'm a new dad. I'm expecting another kid in December. I just wouldn't have had the time to put aside to make the videos that I make. And so I'm super grateful because you don't become a Zen master because, you know, Tableau just sort of looks at your content and decides, yes, you're worthy. You actually get nominated. And the way that happens is essentially, look, I could have made all of this content, and if it didn't get shared, if people didn't enjoy it, if people didn't say thank you, if people didn't comment, if people didn't give me, you know, criticism as well on the channel, then it wouldn't have pushed me to sort of make the content as good as it is. So in many ways, this is sort of our achievement. If you're watching this channel, if you've been part of the journey, this is very much our achievement, and I kind of want to share this with everyone. There's not much more to it than that. It's nice to have it. I'd still do what I did even without it. I don't sort of need this to sort of celebrate anything. I think I'm very, very sort of grateful to have benefited so much from the Tableau community. And you know, I just needed to give something back. I've been using Tableau for 7 years. I use it for ages, but I just never really got into things like blogging or even, you know, so many of the other ways of sort of giving back to the community. So the videos was my way of doing it, and I think I was just able and lucky to find a niche. That said, I'm not the only one making videos. There's so many other great channels making videos. In fact, I'll put some up on the screen now. I'd be super shocked if some of these guys weren't Zen Masters themselves in the future. In my opinion, some of them deserve it now. So if you're looking or thinking about, you know, Zen Master nominations, check out any of these channels that I've got on my screen. They all make absolutely great content. They put just as much time, if not more time than I do, into making content. So definitely check those channels out if you've not come across them. But again, I didn't want to make this a long video. I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for you know, all your support, watching my content, sharing my content, and thank you for the criticism. I know there's so much more content that you guys would love to see that I haven't made yet. We'll get to it. We'll get to it. You know, making content is sort of a process, and sometimes I see some suggestions and I look at it and I just think, look, I can't do that the service that it deserves right now. But in the future, that will definitely change. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the Tableau Zen Master rock, as it were. Thank you to Tableau for sending this through. Thank you for watching the content. Oh man, it's sort of weird. I got nominated a few months ago, but it's nice to finally have something, you know, physical that you can sort of tell a story with or something like that. I don't know why, but yeah, it just means a lot. So thank you so much for everything you've done as a community, and thank you for continuing to support the channel. I'll catch you on Friday. I've got another video planned for Friday. Slightly different, very different to my usual kind of content. And yeah, we're going to get back onto the functions playlist that I've been working on. I'm going to try and work through all the Tableau functions before the end of the year. So stay tuned for that. But until then, as I always say, catch you in the next one.